What's up, everybody? Nate here from Alien Gear Holsters, and look at that right there. You know what that is? That is the DP-12. And check this out. You want to get the manual. You don't want to hold on to that manual. Look at that. Scan that code. You got your manual right there. No reason to keep the paperwork. Is this thing fun? Yeah. I'd say it's fun. What's cool about this is a double barrel shotgun. It holds 14 plus 2 if you're using 2 3/4 inch, and it's pretty sweet. It is well built shotgun. I just have to say this, okay? Everybody asks about this thing. Does it shoot 2 rounds with every trigger pull? No. It is bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, or bang bang, bang bang, bang bang. One of the interesting things about this shotgun is how it's loaded from back here. 2 chambers, very easy to load, but also that's where the shells are going to eject. But they're not going to hurt you. They're actually going to be pretty fine right there. I haven't had an issue with that as well. But here's what I say: when you're going to reload, probably pointing the muzzle towards your feet. Just turn it to the side. If you have them on your belt, do a quick reload. Boom, 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 boom. But are you really going to need to reload something that carries 16 rounds? 12 gauge? If you do, boy, you are under attack. You might need a little more help than with a shotgun. Talk about home defense. Yes, we got a tactical light right there, a red dot for our shotgun, and we got a whole lot of cool stuff with this going on. This is from Standard Manufacturing. It is actually a really well built gun, and I'm kind of glad that it doesn't shoot 2 rounds at once, because my shoulder would definitely be feeling that tomorrow. A lot of cool rails on here, completely ambidextrous. It's got the AR safety right here, basically on both sides, so you can operate that. Slide release. It's just all around pretty sweet. If you're looking for home defense, this is going to take care of it. I don't know what else you're going to need. Double barrel 12 gauge. We're going to be shooting a bunch of this stuff right here, so check this thing out. I think you might like it. You can accessorize this thing in so many different ways, but for now, you know what time it is? Yep, let's get our shoot on.
Citizens are also urged to lock and barricade all doors and windows.
Hey everyone, if you want more cool videos, make sure you click this subscribe button and check out more of our other videos. We have more to come. Please carry safe, carry in comfort, and carry on.